to go.
Hi. Hello. How you doing, buddy? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're here from Sarah's channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I am so happy to have you here, and hopefully you like the content that I'm about to provide for you guys. Sarah, if you're watching, thank you so much for showing me a great time in Arizona. I'm already missing it and I cannot wait to come back. So what does it take to finish and build your own car? It takes a lot of money, time, and dedication, and a lot of willpower. In my case, I want to have a fully finished wide body FRS, stanced FRS by the end of July. And I know I'm time crunching this, but I really want to be ready for show season so I can go and hang out with you guys at all the shows and be part of the community again, because I've been MIA for a while. My car has been in the making for about 3 years and I just keep changing everything about it. Right now I'm saving towards a different wide body kit, and I hope to disclose this with you guys once I make enough money to pay for it. So I don't want to say anything yet, but it's a great sponsorship that I'm having with a certain company, and I cannot wait to tell you guys because it's gonna be awesome. Into this video, these are the top 3 ways I make money on the side hustles to make more cash aside from the job that I currently have. If you guys don't know what I do, I own a bar in Queens. I'm only a 30% shareholder for the bar, so I don't own it completely, but it's very fun. It just doesn't pay enough for me to pay for house insurance, the dogs, the food, and going out, the cars, everything. Let's start with number 1. I sell t-shirts. Car t-shirts to car enthusiasts just like you. I sell them on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Mercari app, on my website and Instagram. I will leave a link down below where you guys can go check out all the different types of t-shirts that I sell. Currently, I have deleted a bunch of them because I wanted to start new for the new year. But the t-shirt that I'm going to be making today for you guys will be available for purchase, and it's a design that I created about 2 years ago, and I'm bringing it back. So hopefully you guys like it. So one of the things that you'll be investing your money on is a vinyl cutter. This is my Silhouette Cameo. I bought this off of Amazon for $200 about 2.5 years ago, and this is where all the magic happens. With this machine, it also comes with an app called Silhouette Cameo that's downloaded into your computer. Right here, I can take any photo and scan it, and it pretty much traces around the photo and prints right onto the printer onto vinyl. You'll also need a t-shirt. I got this off of Michael's craft store for about $2. You can also buy bulk from eBay and from Gildan itself, but we're gonna do this blue t-shirt for today. We're gonna do a large. You'll also need some vinyl. This is sister vinyl from the Michael's craft store. I bought this for about 15 bucks, but you can always get these on sale because they always have a 40% off coupon on their website. So this is a good buy. I forgot to mention that you're also going to need a heat press. I bought this off of Amazon for $150. And now we have a pretty cool t-shirt that we can sell. So another way that I make money is by selling the things that I don't use or need anymore on the Mercari app. This is not sponsored, but I do like this app and wanted to share it with you guys. I so far have made $75.60 off of 7 products that I've sold. Right here, I can show you my profile. This is pretty much where I sell. And this is all miscellaneous stuff of things that I don't use or no longer need. I can also sell car parts on here, and everything sells rather quickly. The last side hustle that I have is going to shows as a vendor. I come in with my t-shirts, I go in with merchandise that I buy wholesale online, like keychains and detailing products. I get sponsored by some companies. It's really cool to reach out to some of these detailing companies and see if you can work out a deal and ask them like, hey, can I sell your products and can I get a little bit of the cut of what I've sold? That's a way to make profit as well. I maximize my profits by making things myself, such as the t-shirts. I buy wholesale online from Alibaba, eBay, and I buy all these keychains at a wholesale price. I'm going to show you what I mean. So Aliexpress is a Chinese company, but a lot of these car companies that you know about buy their keychains and their accessories from this website. I'm just gonna look up car keychains. And up comes all of these car keychains. Let's take this wrench for example. This is a wrench keychain. It's stainless steel and it sells for $1. Now you buy it for $1, it gets shipped to your home, you go to a show and you sell them for $6 at a show. I now made a $5 profit plus my money back. This is a perfect way to make extra money. Don't sleep on these ideas, guys. I'm giving out like secrets that people are gonna hate me for. As I'm editing this video, I realized that I did not shoot an outro for you guys, and I wanted to tell you that I'm so happy we reached 5,000 YouTube subscribers. Like, I can't even believe it. A couple videos down, I said that one of my main goals for this year is to reach 5,000 YouTube subscribers, and we did it. But for that, I wanted to do a giveaway for you guys. We're gonna have 5 winners. All you have to do is comment down below and tell me what you thought about this video, and you have to be subscribed to my channel. The first winner is gonna be winning this 360s product detailing kit with some APX merch, and the last 4 people chosen will get a 360s product Brazilian mist detailing spray. And yeah, that's all you guys have to do. And I think I'm gonna go to sleep because I look pretty horrible right now. But yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.